The Chinese company Ehong wants to show the world that drones can do a lot more than taking aerial footage. Introducing Ehong 184, a one-passenger drone which can carry up to 100 kilograms of payload and cruise at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. The Ehong is an electric AAV with 25 minutes of flight time, designed to fly at 3,500 meters above sea level, making it ideal for medium to short distance transportation. Being an autonomous aircraft, any person can fly it. You just need to select your desired location on Google Maps and it will take you there. And in case of emergency situations, the Ehong 184 will be piloted from Command and Control Center and help you land safely at the nearest possible location. On February 15, 2017, Dubai Roads and Transport Authority announced a partnership with Ehong to jointly promote and introduce the 184 in its program of transforming Dubai into the smartest city in the world. If flying a helicopter is your dream, but training costs have been an obstacle, then Volocopter has a solution for you. The Volocopter VC200 is a two-seater electric aircraft that can be operated with a pilot, using remote controls, or completely autonomously. With 18 rotors powered by 9 independent batteries, the aircraft can go up to 100 kilometers an hour. It has a flight altitude of up to 1,980 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 450 kilograms. The VC200 received the permit to fly as an ultralight aircraft from German aviation authorities in February 2016. Built by AgustaWestland, Project Zero aims to eliminate the use of fuel to open the possibility of using the aircraft in low to no oxygen environments, ranging anywhere from getting close to active volcanoes to use on Mars. Sized to carry only a single pilot or to be used unmanned, it has around 10 minutes of flight time. The company is hoping that within a decade, automakers will have advanced the development of electric batteries to the point that Project Zero will travel for around 100 minutes. But for now, the company is currently working on a hybrid version of the engine, combining electric with diesel to extend the flight range to as much as an hour. Since 1917, man has been trying to develop a flying car but failed. But today, we have one. The Aeromobile 3.0 is a two-seater flying car that transforms in seconds from an automobile to an airplane. The vehicle has maximum road speed of 160 kilometers an hour and a flight speed of 200 kilometers per hour. The Aeromobile 3.0 is still a prototype, but the company says there are main features that are likely to be incorporated into the final product, such as avionics equipment, autopilot, and an advanced parachute deployment system. The aircraft is expected to go on sale in 2017. Designed to satisfy the most demanding customers, PAL V Liberty is a three-wheeler flying car which can reach 100 miles per hour on the ground and can be switched between driving mode and flying mode in 5 to 10 minutes. The Liberty can climb to a maximum altitude of 3,500 meters, and its 197 brake horsepower flying engine can propel it up to a top speed of 112 miles per hour. If you want to buy one of these, it is now on sale starting at $399,000 for Liberty Sport model and $599,000 for the Pioneer Edition, which comes with added options.